Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we'll start lesson number 13. So here we will revise on the isnad of fi'l muzari. Nothing new in this chapter, just the revision. Miss Noor, read this.
المفرد الجمع اوكي الغائب المذكر المؤنث حميد يذهب أمينة تذهب المخاطب المذكر أنت تذهب المؤنث أنت تذهبين المتكلم المذكر المؤنث أنا أذهب الجمع حمد وعلي حميد وعلي وهشام تذهب وهاشم تذهبون يذهبون أمينة ومريم وزينب يذهبن أنتم تذهبون أنتن تذهبن نحن نذهب
تمارين exercises أكمل الجمل الآتية. Complete the following sentences. بيودي الفعل ذهب by putting the verb ذهب في المضارع in the مضارع form بعد إسناده إلى الضمير المناسب after predicating it to the appropriate pronoun. So we need to use the appropriate form of fi'l muzari of fi'l ذهب. Khatija, first 5.
في أي ساعة يا عائشة في أي ساعة تذهب إلى جامعة يا عائشة؟
No. خطأ.
Okay, في أي ساعة it's Madari, isn't it?
Yes, it is muzari.
Oh, sorry, yeah. في أي ساعة تذهبين إلى جامعة يا عائشة؟
صحيح.
الطلاب يذهبون إلى الملعب بعد درس.
صحيح.
أنا أذهب إلى سوق يوم الجمعة فقط. متى يذهبون لزيارة المدرس يا إخواني؟
متى تذهبون؟
تذهبون sorry. متى تذهبون لزيارة المدرس يا
مديري
يا إخواني؟ أمي تذهب إلى المستشفى كل يوم لأنها مريضة. Okay, was that just 5? Would you want me to do more?
Noor,
أي numbers. What number is it? Is it number 6?
6.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. أي أتذهبن إلى المكتبة كل مساء يا بناتي
أتذهبنا كل مساء. Okay.
لما لا تذهبوا إلى المطار معنا يا أبسا
عباس. Okay.
نحن نذهب إلى الجامعة بسيارة الأجرة. أبي يذهب إلى المصنع
مصنعي.
المصنع في ساعة عشرة. أخواتي تذهبن إلى المدرسة بحافلتي.
خطأ.
أخواتي
يذهبنا.
Okay, sorry. يذهبن. Yes. Because it's third
أكمل.
person.
Sorry. أكمل الجمل الآتية. Complete the following sentences بوضع by putting فعل مضارع مناسب by putting appropriate فعل مضارع in the blanks. You will just put any فعل مضارع here. Miss Rahma, first 5.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
أتعرفين اللغة العربية يا سعيد؟
أتعرف اللغة العربية يا سيدي؟
يا سعيد. أوكي. نحن نلعب كرة القدم كل مساء. في مهجع الجامعة يذهبون يا إخوان. التجار يفتحون دكاكينهم في الساعة 9.
التاسعة.
يكتب المدرس الدرس على السبورة.
خديجة.
Okay, number 8, yeah.
6.
Okay, 6. أخوات حمزة أخوات sisters.
Yes, sisters of Hamza.
Sisters of Hamza. يدرسنا. No.
يدرسنا بالجامعة.
Okay. أنا أقرأ القرآن كل صباح. في أي محطة? From which station? Yeah, from which station? تسافر يا أخي.
تنزيل is better word.
Which is better, sorry?
Tanzilu. In which station will you go down? Or Maya?
Okay. أختي the letter Lu. My sister has these. أختي أختي تعرف ثلاث لغات. من أي إذاعة يا فتاة أي إذاعة تسمعنا الأخبار يا فتاة.
صحيح الجمل الآتية. Correct the following sentences. Noor, first 5. Miss Noor.
Sorry. Ya Maryamu. Ata'rifu rakma hatifil mudirati ariftu.
Ariftu is fil mazi. Araftu is fil mazi. And we need muzare here.
Ata
Anyone?
ta'rifu.
What is the mistake here?
Atarifina.
Oh yes.
Atarifina. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Yadkuluna tolabul fasli qabla dukhulil mudarrisi. Yadkhulu.
No. Anyone?
At-talibatu.
No.
Is it number 2 or number 3?
Number 2.
Okay, number 2. Yadkhulu talibatul fasla qabla dukhulil mudarris.
Yadkhulu tullabul fasla. So here it is Jumla Fi'liya, and in Jumla Fi'liya we always use Mufrad Fi'l. We
Okay.
always use singular Fi'l.
When we do this for homework, should we just write the verb or do you want the whole sentence doing?
Yes, only correct the mistake. For example,
Okay,
the first one,
that makes
Tarif
it
is the
easier.
mistake. Underline it and then correct it.
Yeah.
Tarifina.
Okay.
Then here Yadkhuluna is the mistake, so you just write Yadkhulu.
Okay, Jazakallah khair.
Mayyakum. Next.
At-tabibatu yakhrujuna minal mustashfa fi sa'atil wahidata. Yakhrujna.
Yakhrujna, correct.
Yajlisna tolibatul jududu fil akhiri. Yes.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Yajlisu.
So what is the correct answer here?
Tajlisu.
Tajlisu.
Yajlisu.
Tajlisu. Why we are using tajlisu here?
It's followed by a plural feminine, so you just use singular feminine.
Yes, it is a Jumla Fi'liya, and in Jumla Fi'liya we always use singular verb.
Aina tadhhabna إخوان أين تذهبون؟
Miss Rama,
نعم. ماذا
number 6.
ماذا okay number 6 okay. أختي تدرس في المدرسة الثانوية. ماذا
What is the mistake in
تكتب؟
number 6?
يدرس
So what is the correct one?
تدرس.
Correct. Next.
ماذا تكتبن يا بنات؟
Correct.
ماذا تأكل يا عباس؟
Correct.
نحن نشرب القهوة كل صباح.
Correct.
Okay. سيرجع أبي من الرياض في الصباح
في
قادم.
الأسبوع القادم. تأمل ما يلي. Observe what is below. Here he will open the verb for you so that you can see what is inside every verb. For example, yazhabu has 3 parts. First part is ya, second part is zahaba, and third part is hidden. So he has broken it into 3 parts. Ya with harful muzara, first part, zahaba, second part, zamir mustatir, third part. Zamir mustatir means hidden pronoun. Then this has 4 parts. Ya is the first one, zahaba is the second one, waw is the third one, and noon is the fourth one. So here he has divided it into 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, and this one, fourth part. Okay. Then tazhabu, first part, second part, and third part is hidden here. So this is first part, this is second part, this is third part. Then yazhabna, ya is the first part, zahaba is the second part, and noon is the third part. So this is the first part, this is second part, this is the third part of the verb. He is opening the verb for you. Miss Khadija, read all this stuff.
تعامل ما يلي. What does yali mean?
Below, following.
Below. Following below. Okay.
Observe what is
يذهب. Ya equals half مضارعتي plus ذهب plus ضمير مستتير. يذهبون. Ya equals half مضارعتي plus ذهب plus واو فاعل plus نا علامة رفع. So wow is the file, yeah?
Yes.
That we call that one Demir berries.
It does not have Zamir Mustatir. It is this Zamir is visible.
Yeah, okay. تذهب ta equals half مضارعتي plus ذهب plus ضمير مستتير. يذهبن. Ya equals half مضارعتي plus ذهب plus نا equals فاعل. تذهب ta equals half مضارعتي plus ذهب plus ضمير مستتير. تذهبون ta equals half مضارعتي plus ذهب plus واو equals فاعل plus نا equals علامة رفع. تذهبين تا equals حرف مضارعاتي plus ذهب plus يا equals فاعل plus لا equals علامة رفع. تذهبن تا equals حرف مضارعاتي plus ذهب plus نا equals فاعل. أذهب همزة equals حرف مضارعاتي plus ذهب plus ضمير مستتر. نذهب نا equals حرف مضارعاتي plus ذهب plus ضمير مستتر.
كلمات جديدة. نور, what is meaning?
الكلمات الجديدة. سيارة الأجرة taxi. صف رو. صفوف rows. last.
Now we will learn the fi'l amr. If you remember,
Sorry, what was that here? Was it last or late?
last one.
Last, okay.
Better. So if you remember, we learned how to convert fi'l mudari into fi'l amr. Does anyone remember?
Mudari into what?
How to convert fi'l mudari into fi'l amr? Do you
Yes.
remember?
نعم.
This is a fi'l mudari, okay? So there are 3 steps to make it amr. What are these 3 steps?
Change the first to alif.
Okay. So do you know we write alif here?
No.
Because in Arabic,
because that,
no word can
It's
start
fine.
with sukoon. Okay. So
It doesn't happen in that series. It happens in the Hadia series.
sorry.
That was the Araib series. It needs to go in the Hadia series.
Okay. So whenever we have sukoon, in the start we put an alif at the beginning because no word can start with the sukoon. Then this is the first step here. What is the second step?
The last one change to sukun.
Okay, last one changes to sukoon. Then what is the second rule? Anyone?
Anyone? You
Yes.
look at the Ain Kalima, which is the middle letter there, and if it has a fatha or a kasra, you put a kasra onto the alif, and if it has a dhamma, you put a dhamma onto it.
Correct. These are the 3 steps to make fi'l amr.
Fatha and
Yeah.
kasra. Dama. Okay.
Okay, tell me the 3 steps for this.
me or anybody.
Anyone?
Change the ya to alif.
No, you don't do it with la, you only do it with ta.
Correct, no mistake. Next.
And then if dhamma, then it depends if dhamma or kasra, so it becomes still
So here we have
because it's
dhamma.
dhamma, yeah, then you put dhamma.
Correct. This is the second
then
one.
Third is you changed into sukun the last letter.
Correct. So do you know why we put alif here?
Yes, because the letter cannot start with sukun.
Yeah.
That's why we.
Okay, what are the steps for this one? Anyone?
First, we remove yeah.
Okay, we remove yeah.
Instead, you just put Lee if it's got yeah.
Sorry, you are saying
Then-
Li, Lam Kasra Li?
Yeah,
No.
because it's rape series.
No,
You only do that with a Hadia series.
no. Anyone?
Then sukun the last letter.
No,
Sukun.
you're wrong. Stuff.
Is there any step left here?
No.
Or does everyone agree with this?
No, I don't. I sent you a picture.
Where, in WhatsApp or Skype?
WhatsApp.
I did not receive your picture.
I haven't sent it yet. Can't take it.
Send me on this number, which is in the group.
I love Arabic number.
Yes, which is in the
Okay,
group.
let me
You can
just-
send in the group. Then
In the
everyone-
group. Okay.
Before she sent, let me ask you all one question. Why we are not using alif here?
Because the
Because-
letter can start. It can be because it's the next letter is not sukun.
Yes, we don't have any spoon here, so alif is not needed. There is no need of alif. Okay, let's see what Khadija has sent. Okay, so you are on the last pattern, Li Nafal. Am I right, Miss Khadija?
No, when you put yeah, that
Okay,
was
okay, got it. Li Yafal, active voice.
yeah.
First one. Am I right?
Lee, yeah.
Okay, Miss Khadija. That is for the third person, okay? For
Yeah,
example,
but you were putting yeah in front of it.
at the moment we are discussing the fail amr for second person only. So we
Yeah,
are
yeah, but you were putting yeah, so that's why I said yeah.
okay. That ya is for fail muzare. So that we were not discussing that at the moment.
Okay.
So we are basically ordering the second person who is standing in front of us. So we cannot use that here, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
To order the third person, we will study it in the next book, probably, not in this one.
Yeah, yeah. So I was only saying because you were putting yeah, not that was
Mm.
all.
Okay, got it.
Sorry. Apologies.
So this is for the second person. So whatever we have learned so far is written here for revision, nothing new. Who's done in this? Read anyone?
Okay. In the lesson, we learn the following. The number one, the amuru, the imperative, the amuru is the form of the verb which is signify a command like go, sit, get up. In the amuru is formed from a mudari of the second person by omit the imitating da and the final doma as explained below. Uktub, taktub.
Taktubu
Now,
become a silent word. This word cannot be pronounced because it is starting with sukun.
okay. Now, the resulting from commas with a sukun letter, e.g., a letter not following by a vowel. This is not permissible in Arabic. To overcome this difficulty, a Hamza al-Wasil is prefixed to the verb. This Hamza takes Doma if the second radical of the amru has a doma. Otherwise, it takes kasra. Uktub.
Taktubu. Start with taktubu.
Okay, taktub, uktub. Uktub, taktub.
Taktubu becomes silent word and that silent word become uktub.
Okay.
Then tajlisu becomes silent word
Tajlis,
and that silent word
okay.
become ijlis.
Okay, sir. Then taf, taftah, it become silent one, and iftau become amur. This hamsat wasnu is pronounced only when the amur is not preceded by any word. If it is preceded by a word, the hamza is omitted in pronunciation, though it will remain in written. Uktub, ya Bilal, uktub.
Ya Bilal luktub.
Okay, ya Bilal, uktub. Ikra waktub. Uktub wakra. As we have seen, this hamza is hamza to waslu. So the sign of the hamza al-qat should not be written above or below it. Uktub and not uktub. Ijlis and not ijlis.
Miss Khatija.
Yeah, from here, the amma from takulu is kun, and from takudu is khud. These forms are irregular, and the first radical hamza has been omitted. If the amma of the second person singular is followed by a word commencing with hamza or wasl, the last letter of the amma takes a kasra to avoid
Iltika usakinain.
اتقاء ساقيني. اشرب بالماء, drink water. افتح الباب, open the door. خذ الكتاب, take the book. Here is the isnad of the amma to the other pronoun of the second person. اكتب يا محمد. اكتبوا يا إخوان. اكتبي يا أمينة يا اكتبنا يا أخوات.
Noor.
أقربون في الفصل. The mubtada is usually definite, but it may be indefinite with certain condition. One of these is that the indefinite mubtada should be preceded by an interrogative particle, as in this example. Aqrabun fi fasli, a scorpion in the classroom. Here is another example from the Quran. Ilahun ma'allah. Is there any God with Allah?
What is he telling you in this point? Normally the mubtada is marifa. Okay. Normally the mubtada is marifa. But sometime with condition it can become nakira as well. For example, in this sentence akrabun, you see it is nakra because it has tanween. So it is nakira. So why it is nakira? Because in questions, when we have an interrogative particle a or any other interrogative particle, we can make the mubtada nakira according to our needs. But in normal sentence, mubtada is usually marifa. Okay.
Okay.
Next point.
فإن الغرفة مظلمة.
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun. Here, fa'inna means because. Here are some more example. Kul hadha fa'innaka jaw'anu. Eat this as you are hungry. Uzkul fa'inna darsa qad bada'a. Get in for the lesson has started. Igsil khamisa fa'innahu wasikhun. Wash the shirt for it is dirty.
Next we have vocabulary. Rama, half of the vocabulary.
Sakata. Yes, kutu. Jama'a. Yetma. Tobaho. Yetbuku. Koton'a. Yakto'un. Kholako. Yahliku.
Halako.
Halako. Okay, halako. Yahliku. Abada. Ya'budu. Alima. Ya'lamu. Mana'a. Yamna'u. Ada. Ya'udu.
Khatija.
يعود. Scorpion. أقرب. Shoe. حذاء. The paradise. الجنة. Glass. قوم. Hand. يد. Spouse. زوج. A clot of blood. علق. Radio set. مذياع. Weather. جو. Stranger. غريب.
Noor. Miss Noor. I think Noor is not available. Complete this.
Sorry. Sorry. To look at Nazara Yangzuru. Fig. Tinun. I don't know. La adri. Strength. Kuwat.
Kuwa.
Kuwatun. Piece of paper. Warakatun. To sweep. Kanasa. Yaknusu. Razor. Muwasan. Sleepy. Nasanu. Dark. Muslimun. Strong. Fast. Bikowatin.
Kuwati. Next time, inshallah, we'll start this one. Join the meeting again using the same link.
Okay.